And the race is on. Silver glides, lovable Princess down on the inside. Classical bid. Arrows Magic. Ho, ho, ho. Mbangge down on the inside. Superstitious. Jack Show King. Arrows Magic. Rather, number 6. Classical bid from the outside is lovable Princess. Classical bid, lovable Princess, Arrows Magic. Oh, ho, ho, down on the inside, Silver Glides is running in fifth. And rounding the far turn, Classical bid, lovable Princess fighting it out for the lead. Oh, ho, ho, and on the outside, Arrows Magic. Silver Glides racing in fifth as they race the final corner. Classical bid, lovable Princess, Classical bid, ho, 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 Harrods Magic. Classical bid, lovable Princess, fighting it out for the lead. Classical bid, lovable Princess on the outside, but Classical bid doing it from lovable Princess. Ho, 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 Superstitious close. Buko Juice, Silver Glides for 5th and 6th position.
675. Yung atin-atin lang eh.